Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Daikin AC remote not responding, blinking light, sensor and battery reset fix. Fix 1 is replace the batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then take out the old batteries. Insert 2 new batteries matching the plus and minus sign. Close the cover and test the remote. Second one is reset the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Then reinsert the batteries. Try using the remote again. Third one is power reset the AC. Turn off the AC and unplug it or switch off the circuit breaker. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes. Restore power. Turn the AC on with the remote. Fourth one is check the AC sensor. Point the remote directly at the indoor unit, then stand within about 5 to 8 meters. Then remove any object blocking the sensor. Press the button and check if the AC responds. Fifth one is check for a blinking light. Look at the indoor unit for a blinking light, then turn off the AC at the wall switch or breaker. Then wait 5 minutes. Turn the power back on and test the remote. Thanks for watching.